See, when my father died, I really didn't know what I was going to do. All he left me was his successful line of stores and his entire fortune. Not nearly enough, I say, until I discovered this. It's priced at over $2 million. I could buy the entire New York Yankees if I wanted to.
Hey, Ronnie, where's Chang at?
Chang wasn't invited. He's the only one working tonight. Besides, why did you want to know?
Oh, just wondering.
Who wants Victory Cabbage?
Yeah!
Indubitably.
Oh, wow.
See you, Ronnie.
Good night.
Very good fellow.
See you.
Have a nice night.
Hey, thanks for everything, Ronnie. See you later, alright?
So tell me what happened again, Chang.
I was going to ask Ronnie if he saw my cat, but when no one answered, I got worried and called you. It's a good thing you came.
What kind of cat?
Does it matter? That scumbag Ronnie is dead.
Scumbag? Sounds like you held a grudge against him.
Well, forget I said that.
Sorry, forgetting ain't part of my job. The robber must have had a key. So where is it, Lorraine?
What makes you think I know where the diamond is?
Diamond? I never said diamond.
Oh, I heard it on the radio.
No dice, Lorraine. I've been keeping this case under tight wraps. So who was it? You wouldn't want to get your pretty little hands dirty. Was it Chang?
If Chang was man enough to do, I wouldn't be with Thorn.
So you're saying Thorn is man enough?
What? No, you're putting words in my mouth.
That's all I needed to hear. What's the cause of death, Doctor?
Well, you see, it appears he died of hydrogen peroxide poisoning.
Hydrogen peroxide. Where would one obtain such a thing?
Well, it's something used to clean wounds, so anyone could have access to it. You know, I think I saw Chang selling some at his shop. Why don't you go ask him?
Ah, finally a lead. Thank you, Doctor.
Hey, Clearwater, how can I help you?
I'm looking for anyone who might have bought hydrogen peroxide in the last couple of days.
Oh, I know two people who did.
Oh, and who might they be?
Lorraine and a tall man.
A tall man. You mean Thorn?
Yes, him.
Thanks, Chang.
Hey, Clearwater.
Yeah?
When Ronnie's store opened up, my father's store went out of business. He got very ill and I couldn't afford to pay for medicine. I didn't like Ronnie very much, but I would never kill him.
Sorry, I suspected you, Chang. Hey, Doctor, wait.
Hey, Detective, what's up?
Why do you have blood all over you?
I was just doing some surgery, and,
Doctor, don't you have access to hydrogen peroxide where you work?
well, yes, but,
You wouldn't happen to know anything about this murder that you haven't told me.
no, if I knew anything else, I would tell you. Absolutely.
Alright, I'll keep that in mind. You can go. Hey, Lauren. Oh, God. Doctor, get in here immediately.
Yeah, Clearwater, what is it? Oh my god, is that Lorraine? Oh, what happened?
I should be asking you the same thing. Isn't that your scalpel?
Yeah, but, I mean, I lost it last night and I was spending all day looking for it.
If that's true, then Chang must be in danger.
What's this? It appears Lorraine's been strangled by somebody left-handed. But the only lefty in this town is Thorn!
You're right. It appears you have figured it out. But too bad no one else will be able to.
Why'd you do it?
Well, you see, right before the party ended, I took Lorraine's key and used it to get into Ronnie's place, kill him, and take his diamond. You see, now I will be richer than all of you.
Ah!
Doctor! Doctor, are you? Oh God, what happened? Doctor! So it was you.
Yes, and no one will ever find out.
Nice to meet you.
Nice job today, Chang. Or should I say, Detective Chang.
We have a great team, don't we?
Yeah!